what it is, I have snuck into New Orleans, Louisiana. Now I'm in Lafayette. I got Naomi with me.
What up?
And I'm sneaking up on my daughter, Madison. She have no idea I'm coming. I always sneak up on her like this, so I just want to see her shock and excitement when I pull up on her. Is you ain't ready? Maddie 2K, you don't even know what's coming for you. Louisiana, I want to go fishing. Hopefully she want to go fishing. Intro.
Yeah, you never flew private plane. Now your eyes open wide up in Paris. Yeah, you ain't never been from the coast on a yacht to an island.
Yeah, so Madison have no idea I'm coming. So it's gonna be fun. So we're gonna bring her back to New Orleans. We have an Airbnb there, and we're gonna kick it. I mean, I don't know. There's only so much you can do during the quarantine. We got several masks. We got a lot of hand sanitizer, and we prayed up, so we good. Ain't that right now?
Yup.
Is you ready?
We ready.
Is you ready? Can't look at y'all long, but you know what I mean.
Let's get some food.
Let's see if she hit her. No, she hit her.
It's really loose. I don't know why it's doing that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Who is Madison?
Me?
Who is Madison?
Me.
Are you ready though?
Yes.
No, you not.
Yes, I am.
I don't feel it.
Yes, I am.
I don't feel the readiness.
I'm ready.
Okay, you might be. You might be. Well, we already recorded.
What?
Yeah, you already been recording. Hello, people. I got a special guest. No, not a special guest. The most special guest of all special guests that have been guested through the guest. Drum roll, please. You got a drum? You're supposed to help me with the drum roll. You're the only guest. Nobody else in here.
Madison.
Well, who is you?
Madison.
Oh, man.
I'm Madison.
Maddie 2K Madison. This is my baby. Baby Raiden. Look at the hats. Arkansas. She not from Arkansas though. Actually, you was born in Atlanta.
Yeah.
How are we doing today? Did I scare you?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. BTS, Your Eyes Tell. At TBS, ooh, that look like a strike. That's a walk. You know what a strike is?
No.
A strike, all of you know, ain't no cursing. The strike is when they strike you. YouTube, they come for your channel. Pow, get you. And what they say is, get here, no more. No mas. You know I've been learning Spanish. And I speak Korean now. Bapsay. You know what Bapsay mean?
No.
They won't teach you that in school. Stay woke though.
Yeah.
You know what that mean?
Yeah.
What Bapsay mean?
No, I don't know what that means.
Just guess. You'll never guess. Alright, I'm gonna give you a clue. It's a utensil.
A fork?
No, you had 50-50 chance. You could have said spoon. See, a spoon. Bapsy. Never mind, but that ain't why we got fan mail. Fam, you gonna help me open the mail?
Yeah.
Let's open the mail. We got fan mail. I have went to the P.O. box. I've actually been to the P.O. box. I'm just now being able to record me opening the fan mail, and what better way to do it with the awesome Maddie 2K, aka Madison. I think it go the other way around, but they know what I mean. Let's go, Madison. Let's see what you got. Ooh, I feel like someone crawled on my head. Is it a spider? Is it a spider? You just spider on me? You just spider on me?
No.
Ooh. I ain't scared. Let me know if it's spider on me then.
Okay, which one you want to open first?
Oh, whichever is on you. You the opener.
Okay, I'm going to open this one first.
Go ahead first. Let's go.
Go ahead.
Yeah, who is it from? Jamie M.
Jamie M.
Boom. Jamie! Thank you, famo. Let's see. You are a good opener.
Yeah,
Look at you
doubted
go.
me.
Look at you
Okay.
go.
There's a note. It says, "Sup, famo.
What up, famo?
Just want to say hello again. Also, thanks for continuing the videos, the lives are great too. You bring so much happiness to us. Enclose
Yeah.
examples of the
Decals.
I am selling. I want to send you
And Naomi.
and Naomi half of the
Proceeds.
proceeds from them, only keeping half to buy more material to be able to make more. I hope it's okay with you guys. I use 2 of your most used sayings, but can do more. There's a link in the Discord for the order form
Mm-hmm.
for anyone who wants to buy. Stay healthy.
Much love from Ohio. Kind of like an E, but it's a U. Yep.
Thank
You
you.
did a great job, girl. Good job. Yes, Jamie. I'm down for it. Thank you. I'm excited to see it. I can't wait to see it. It's the link in the Discord. I love this right here. That's dope. It should be another one in there. I like it. That's
It
nice.
says
Famo.
BT.
No, yeah, that stands for BT Man Fritos S. See, because BTS is like Man Fritos. It's crazy. It's inside. It's inside. You won't never get it. Oh, let me see that one. And this one right here says Famo. Thank you, Jamie. Thank you so much. And yes, I will get with you and I'll be checking it in Discord. So the link is in Discord. Definitely. And we would donate the half of proceeds you was gonna give me. We'll donate that collectively as all of us to a cause. So whatever cause that we come up with in Discord or Patreon, hey, you can help kind of join us too. Now we're gonna keep you away from the Discord, but I'll tell you, okay? Yeah. So yeah, next box.
Okay, this one I don't have a name.
Yeah, just open it. Go ahead. It's just you probably see it once it's in there.
Well, I can.
You want me to get that one for you?
Yeah.
All right.
I can't open that one.
This is how I open boxes. I'm from the hood. Something you ain't never had to worry about. You got it easy. You got an iPhone 11, an iPhone, fancy iPhone, might I add. See that?
Well, at least I don't
Hood
have
fingers.
Android.
I tried to buy you an Android. You didn't let me buy you an Android.
Some
Oh,
stuff.
it's going down. It's going down. Let's see what we got.
So it looks like we have some BTS Uno cards.
BTS Uno cards.
These look cool. I've never seen these before.
Yes. I think we have some more and we're going to actually... Do you know how to play Uno?
Yes, I know how to play Uno, but it's been like 2 years.
So you don't know how to play. Everybody who say that cheats. I know you're a cheater.
I'm not a cheater.
You are a cheater.
Okay, so we have this green bag. Oh, it has no. I think it does.
Let's see.
Okay.
Can I read this one?
I guess.
I guess. Excuse me. I guess. Millennials. I've been with you since Becky G popped out a drain. You don't know what that is. Love your videos and personality. Thank you. Keep doing you. Stay blessed. Country girl. That's my G. You don't know nothing about country girl. She from Mississippi. Jamie and country girl is my G's.
It says the same thing on here. So I'm gonna do
So you saying you read it too?
yeah.
Huh?
Basically. Okay.
Okay.
How do you I'm about to just tear it open too.
No, you don't. You the worst opener.
No,
There you
no.
go. You just go tear it.
Yeah.
How you know?
I get frustrated when I can't open things.
Me too. Oh, that's neither here nor there. Patience is a virtue. Now pull. Pull right there. See patience. See.
So you don't have patience
I
either.
don't. I'm on the line. You can at least act like I got patience all line.
Okay.
Oh
We
man.
have this.
Don't break it. You just look like you're about to break something. You got every symptom of somebody about to break something. Your head look cool, by the way.
Thank you.
Oh, anything?
Ooh,
What that is?
I don't know.
Got a little close, man. You know what they done sent me?
Can I?
I gotta watch you because you just like the rip. You just like the rip. She's a ripper. She's a ripper.
I don't even know if I can still open this now. You open it.
Okay, cool. Thank you. Thought you in the backs. No, not like that. I mean, I trust you, but your rip fingers. You know what I'm saying? Your rip.
It's harder when you have nails on that.
I shouldn't have got the nails there. Thank you for letting me know. Ooh. Map of the soul. Do you know what the map of the soul is?
No. But here.
You don't know what map of the soul is?
No, I'm not.
That's BTS. Is that Naomi? If you're not gonna be in the video. Is that Naomi? I got Naomi with me.
Hey.
Hey. She's. You remember how you? Oh. This is from Country Girl, might I add.
Oh.
Country
she's
Girl.
in the cool.
Country Girl thinks she could.
Cousin, you got excited.
Okay, no, it's okay. It happens to the best of us. It happens to the best of us. It's not funny. I forgot I had a
We
head
have
on.
a BTS pillowcase.
Yes. Oh, Naomi gonna use it.
I'm keeping it. I'm keeping it.
Oh, look at this right here. She said that's what you put on the back of the phone to keep it up. All them YouTube video, SS Sniper Wolf, you be watching it. Azerland Sniper Wolf,
Leave me alone.
Kardashians.
We don't.
Sniper Wolf is the Kardashian.
Oh my god, I need this too. I'm gonna wear this to school.
Man, somebody gonna think this is a kid channel.
No, I don't.
YouTube gonna strike me, man. I'm gonna get it straight. They gonna say that we know the Abrams. I know I heard a little chilling in the background. All right, let's see. Oh no, we got stickers and everything.
Ooh, look, we have some keychains with
man.
everybody on it. Don't know their names, but everybody on it.
That's dope. I like that. You don't know the names?
I don't like BTS.
Watch this. Kim Nam Jun, Kim Sok Jin, Min Yoon Gi, Jung Ho Suk, Park Jin Min, Kim Tae Young, Jung Jung Kook, BTS, and I didn't even read it. It was all memory. Yeah, so this real dope. We got a lot. Oh man, this is a book of stickers. We gonna make. You know what we can do?
What?
We probably have fun making like a wall or something. Cause I said I was gonna rearrange the place. It's time for a makeover.
It is.
So this right here will help out. Thank you, a girl, country. Thank you, a girl.
She's a girl.
Thank you again.
Oh, we got one of these. We got a pen.
Take three. We both got one. You want to pin them out for the reaction?
Yeah.
Cool. Country girl, you did it. Thank you. Oh, that's the. I haven't seen the pillowcase. Hey, hold the pillowcase for us. Let's see.
I already showed them like the pillowcase like 2,000 times.
Well, I said me, if I can see it, if you don't mind.
You see? Oh, actually, they have a back too.
What's on the back?
They're like the same thing.
Oh man, that's dope. Oh, that's real dope.
That is dope.
Let me see the back. I can't see the back.
Oh, Lord.
Man, I mean, you didn't even see me on the picture. Look at me.
Wait, what?
They
You
have
gotta
you?
look close. Like real close.
I don't see you at all.
Alright, come on. Let's do this. Last one. Last one.
It says fragile on it.
This is gonna be a 45-minute reaction.
I can't open it.
I might need to split this up in parts. It's gonna be part 1 and part 2.
Yeah.
Part 1 and part 2. I don't need no scissors, man. I'm from the streets.
Dad, you look.
Look like you from Mexico with that hair on.
And if I was from Mexico,
Straight.
much as we is around the corner at the Mexican
I wonder
restaurant.
what if there's a whole table of BTS?
You need to wear that next time you go to the Mexican restaurant.
Hey man, I'm learning Spanish and everything. I already know Korean now.
Hola.
Bap say, now we gotta move on to Spanish. Let's see.
Oh, just
Hola.
like that.
¿Cómo estás?
From the streets.
You really can't open it.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, I got it. Alright, we good.
I want to open this. Oh, we got multiple packages.
Oh man, this is
Wait,
gonna be
does it
crazy.
say something on that one?
Hold on, man. Let's just slow down.
To
Just say to
Naomi.
Naomi, what can you hold it slow? Hold your horses. All right, calm down. Breathe. Do this right here for me. Say. Go. Now let it out. All right, cool. Now let this one set. We're gonna line them up. You know what Naomi is? She should have came to the video. Man, this is really cool.
What am Madison in?
Well, they
They
Keto
They just
is
met you
Madison.
today. They just met you today.
This is gonna be fun.
Ooh, they got something big. I can't get
This
it.
is gonna be an unboxing video.
Who is this from?
That is a very good thing to say.
It's from
This is.
Kalia or Keela.
Say it again.
Keela.
Say it again.
Keela.
Say it again.
Keela.
Hey, hey,
Keela.
hey, hey,
Keela.
hey. Thanks, Keela girl. Thanks, Keela girl.
Keela.
Too late. Alright, let's see.
I feel like that.
Did you say thanks, Keela girl? Is the ad libs in the background? Did I hear thanks, Keela girl? Whoop.
Ooh, ooh.
Naomi, your turn to read the card out for us.
Oh, sure.
Thank you. To Naomi and Keto. There you go.
Can I get some fan mail?
Yeah, all of this is ours.
Where's
What
the
do you say for Naomi?
project?
You want to open up everything that's Naomi's?
Yes.
You're too much. Is that it? Aww.
Let me see.
Let me see it.
Are you finna read it? Oh, okay.
How
Good.
did you want me to?
I thought that was what you read.
Can't believe how awesome you are. Thanks. Keto plus Naomi. I wanted to give you guys a little something to thank you for always making me laugh, from the chicken noodle soup reaction to the keto lives where the conversation. Yep, conversation sometimes goes sideways, laugh aloud. Thank you for putting a smile on
It
my
will.
face. Love.
That is
Keela.
facts.
Aw, thanks, Keela.
Keela, my G. Thank you.
This is so cute.
Keela. Keela.
There we go. All right. So this for Naomi.
Yeah, I'm gonna want to open it. For Naomi.
Naomi around here looking like a little vanilla Serena with. Let's see. All right. You do that. I'll work on this.
You guys are good teamwork here.
Oh man, it's like this one me and 2K been doing this for long. For years.
I love opening packages. It's my favorite thing to
Ooh.
This is so awesome. It's so carefully wrapped.
Cold brew. This dope. J-Hope. This dope. Look at that. Oh,
Let me
listen.
just help you guys out here.
I want to open it, but I don't.
do. What is that?
It say cold brew. What if I can really drink this?
Don't drink that.
I want to. It's juice.
It might be something to drink.
It might not be nothing.
It's a
It might be
picture.
like cologne or
Hold
something.
on. Let me smell it.
Open it. Yeah, that's a start.
Oh no, we're drinking this. This
What
is
does that
coffee.
smell like?
This coffee right
That's
here.
coffee?
Yeah, this coffee. Keegan.
Let me see.
There you go. I'm not sure now. I should pull you in the camera. I should pull you in. Hey, you doing an awesome job, might I add.
Oh, wow. That smells good.
That do smell good. Oh, oh.
Ooh.
I think they may have broke it.
Oh,
I think they
no.
did. I
On
don't
the
touch
ship.
myself with
Looks
this.
like it's a
I got it.
frame.
Yeah.
It's a frame. No worries. We will get the frame replaced.
Yes.
Listen to you, especially Naomi. She specializes in frame
I'm gonna open this
replacement.
now.
So, and she clearly wrote fragile on the box.
Yeah.
Let me know if we need to escalate this to UPS.
What is it?
It's so pretty.
I want to see.
It's too Naomi.
You're killing me with the suspense.
Should I get rid of the glass first before I do the unveiling?
We might as well just see it.
Let me
It's
get rid of
okay.
this piece. We ought to choke them out. Make sure they don't break off no further. You ready?
Yeah, just show it.
This is definitely for Naomi. And it's definitely going under the bed.
Okay.
Oh.
Ooh, he looks good in that.
This says
Oh, that's going up right above the bed.
Okay, so next one is...
to Naomi.
No, that's dope, though. Thank you, Keita. Here you go, Naomi. You might well take it. Go ahead and get your lust in
I
out the
take your
way.
hand up in my
We're
room.
gonna
Get
go
your
have
lust
a
in
quiet
out the way.
time right quick.
Keto.
But
Keto.
kiddo,
Let's see.
what did you get? What the what?
Girl,
Let me see.
you would think it's for you, so don't get too happy.
Oh my god, I love it.
That is so
Oh
adorable.
Who is it? Who is it? Was that for Naomi or me?
For me.
That's Naomi.
What
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
So
Oh,
look at
this
Look at
is
mine.
so cute.
You didn't get as happy. You got to get the same happy. This is really cool, though. That is dope, though. Look at that. That is cool. I got to take it out. And it come in a little gift. Man, they presentation is A1. What you think?
I love it.
Presentation is like sick, right? It's crazy, man.
It's 100 out of 10.
100. Okay, I was confused at first, but it made sense.
I'm about to steal everything.
You about to steal everything from us?
Yeah.
Boom. What's mine is whose? Yeah.
Oh, now he can join the reaction with us.
You gonna be in there with us?
Sitting down just watching it.
Oh, it's all good, boy. You gonna hey, let me tell you this. You will witness a lot of things in this room. Many can't see. But the eyes of beauty is beyond that whole.
Yeah, get it right.
Yeah. All right, so you ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, so BTS. So you have heard BTS before?
Yes, a long time ago.
A long time ago?
A long time ago.
I mean, you are not old. So you like 10 minutes, years old. All right, so here we go. Let's go. Put a caption on.
KITO,
Huh?
heads up. Ugh. Oh, man.
That pillow is way heavier than what I thought.
Slipping.
The pillow is way. She already done put the pillowcase on the.
Yeah.
How did it zip up or something? You can't even see the seam. This was meant to happen. How did this happen?
It's
Like
right here.
I'm sleeping on BTS tonight.
You don't see the little zipper?
You sleeping on BT? Did we just intro?
Literally.
Is it too early to outro? Alright. This dope. I like this. Instantly.
It's
Can I
so soft. Oh no.
Don't just sit
That
on
is
it.
my back.
Get him, Madison. That's disrespectful.
It's a pillow.
You sit on their faces.
Well, technically, yeah.
Give me the pillow
Niggas
back.
not
You don't
even
appreciate the pillow. Give it back.
No, I was breaking it in for a serious.
Let me finish breaking it in.
Yes, ma'am.
Throw it.
Why you don't trust me? You don't trust me?
I
to
got
throw?
hit in the head once. I don't want to get hit twice.
Do you know Lulu Bumper?
No.
Do you know Lollipop?
No.
Then you don't know me.
Oh.
I've been knowing you for 10 years.
I told you it was 10 minutes. Years old. Come on. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go.
어쨌든 제 취향이 담긴 그런 곡이니까 여러분 많이 응원해
Definitely don't need the caption on because it's not in what we need.
주시고 사랑해 주셨으면 좋겠습니다. 멜로디가 굉장히 다르다고 기대 많이 해주시면 좋을 것 같습니다.それでは聴いてください. BTS 대 Your Eyes Tell.
That sugar right there. I'm talking against him. R.I.M. He's supposed to be running for president of everywhere, United States, Korea, China. All right. B brought Naomi in here. Song already beautiful. Is this the right one? That's sugar. My bad. Oh man, it didn't go right. It didn't happen right. It's okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I get excited sometimes. And that's J-Hope. And it made everything leave.
get the cool candy though. 우리 hold the cool holding it. 간지 않아 make the follow me. 서로 닮아서 감사합니다. 더 애들 more fine.
That same verse. I got it right
어머니도 하지 말이죠. 나로 또 시대는君の名を叫ぶよ。いつもとるその眼差しは So forever 全てを捧げるよ。
It's a very emotional song. Very. I want to we gotta do the lyric video to this. Or him. We gotta get the You see how teachers sing? You see how they showing emotion? How they holding the mic, closing their eyes? They becoming it. It's like they get emotion out. See that? And he just singing like this right here. See this? He doing all this and what's how you pull it up. That's how you do it? Actually, you gotta go pretty good people. I know that stuff be popping up. We don't need you to pop up until we need you to pop up. Okay, good. That was nice. That was nice.
I like it.
You like it?
I just don't understand what they're saying.
It's good. We're gonna do the lyric video. Exactly. But you felt you like the melodies and you like the beat and the emotion. That's what you mean. I know exactly what you mean. I went through the same emotion. Everybody who watching this went through the same emotion. You're not alone. It was like, man, I don't know why. I don't know what they're saying, but I love it. For real. It's real music. Something that you like to do. You know? Like me. That's what we do. Put your hand together. You good?
Yeah.
You good? So I'm gonna go pick some potatoes. You wanna go pick some potatoes?
No.
Huh?
No.
What you gonna pick some grapes? You know, we tell them we farmers. Anyhow, that's why we not here. That's not the words. I got Maddie 2K with me. I got Madison with me. How you doing?
Good.
So everything was good?
Yeah.
Did you have fun with the unboxing and joining me on the channel?
Yeah.
Yeah, could you do this more?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Go check out my YouTube channel.
You go,
Yeah,
you gonna plug
Yeah.
I told you I don't even want you YouTube. This is the most you're gonna get right here. So it's gonna be on Patreon. I don't even know if I'm gonna release this on YouTube.
No, you can't. You have to.
How? What you mean?
You have to.
Man, 4 people gonna see this.
You have to.
Why you think we so having loose? Cause you thought this was going to the world? No.
Yes.
Yeah, it don't. I'm bloated right now. Thank
You haven't ended like an hour.
First of all, I need you snitching. I knew I shouldn't have did that 6-man video. So anyhow, we up out of here. You gonna outro? Am I gonna outro?
What's your outro?
I just say outro, but I say it hard though. You kind of carry the O a little bit.
Outro.
If you don't do it right, I'm not gonna accept it. I'm gonna come behind you and outro. You gotta look at the camera cool, and you gotta look that camera's out with confidence and say, man, I gotta let them go. I ain't gonna tell you how to do it. You do it.
Yeah, you do it.
Man, this
I don't
glass
know.
show like there's child abuse going on here. Yeah, already gonna stop. We can't monetize probably anyway. So Lord, get you something. The people they ready to go. They got stuff to do, man.
I did too. You go to the outro.
You can't. You scared? Oh.
No, I just don't know.
You got to say it hard with him. You gotta hit him with it and just say, "I told you the words."
Did you say outro?
Yeah, look at him and say it.
Outro.
No.
Okay.
Now very rarely do I let somebody say outro without it coming. You got to say it with like you mean it.
Outro!
Yeah, you never flew private plane. Now your eyes open wide up in Paris. Yeah, you ain't never been from the coast on a yacht to an island.